To solve this data sufficiency question, let's consider each statement separately first, then together if needed. Before we look at the statements, let's talk about the median. The median of three positive integers is the value of the middle integer when the integers are put in numerical order. We need to know if w has the same value as the middle integer when w, x, and y are in numerical order. Let's look at statement 1. Statement 1 tells us that x equals y. Let's look at some test cases and see if we can figure out the answer to the question. So suppose for test case 1 that x equals y equals 2 and that w equals 2. Now our list in numerical order is just going to look like 2, 2, 2. The median is equal to 2, which is equal to w. So in this case, our answer would be yes. Now let's look at another test case. What if x equals y equals 2, but this time w equals 1? Now our list will look like 1, 2, 2. The median is still 2, but that's not equal to w because w is 1. So the answer here is going to be a no. Since we can't definitively determine if w is equal to the median for both of the cases, then the statement alone is not sufficient, which means we can eliminate answer choices A and D. So let's go ahead and do that. The correct answer is either going to be choice B, C, or E. Now let's look at statement 2. Statement 2 tells us that w is equal to x plus y. Well, if w is the sum of the other two integers, it follows that w has to be the greatest integer of w, x, and y when put in numerical order. That means w is never going to equal the median, so the answer to the question is a definite no. Which means, since we can actually come up with a definite answer, that statement alone is sufficient. So we can eliminate answer choices C and E. And the correct answer is choice B. Statement 2 alone is sufficient, but statement 1 alone is not sufficient.